Hello, car enthusiasts. Welcome to our channel. Today, we'll be sharing 10 essential tips to keep your car's battery and electronics in top shape. Let's get started. 1. Regularly check your battery terminals. Clean corrosion and ensure they are tightly secured to prevent power loss and extend battery life. 2. Avoid short rides. They prevent your battery from fully charging. Take longer drives or use a battery charger occasionally. 3. Keep your battery tightly fastened. A loose battery can get damaged due to vibrations, especially on bumpy roads. 4. Turn off all lights and electronics when the engine is off. This prevents unnecessary battery drain and prolongs its life. 5. Control the temperature. Extreme temperatures affect battery performance. Use a carport or garage to regulate temperature exposure. 6. Regularly test your battery's charge. A multimeter can help. Replace the battery if it's consistently low or declining. 7. Limit the use of electronics while idling to reduce battery strain. This includes air conditioning, radio, and phone chargers. 8. Use a battery insulator. This can help in maintaining the battery temperature, especially in extreme weather conditions. 9. Don't ignore the battery light. If it's on, your battery may not be charging properly. Get it checked immediately. 10. Regular maintenance is key. Follow the manufacturer's guidelines for battery maintenance and replacement to ensure optimal performance. That's it for today's episode. Follow these tips to keep your car's battery and electronics running smoothly. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more auto tips. Drive safe.